Let's talk about conductor and insulator. What are conductors? Conductors are the material which allow heat to pass through them easily are called conductor. Here the example are some metals: iron, aluminium, copper, etc. What are insulator? Insulator are the material which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called insulator, and the examples are wood, plastic, glass, rubber, etc. Here some examples or pictures are given of conductors and insulators. Now we will discuss about the another method of transfer of heat, the convection. What is convection? Convection is a process by which heat is transferred in liquid and gases. जैसे हमने पहले बात करी, conduction is the transfer of heat in solids only. For liquid and gases, the convection is the mode of transfer of heat. Here, to know more about this convection, we will first do one activity. What we will do in this activity? We will take some water in a round bottom flask. This is round bottom flask, and keep it on a tripod stand. This is the tripod stand. We will keep it on it. Put a crystal of potassium permanganate in it. Potassium permanganate is a chemical which we will put in this solution because it is in the solid form. Heat it with a burner. This water at the bottom becomes hot and rises up, and cold water from the top moves down. पोटेशियम परमैग्नेट को इसलिए राउंड फ्लास्क में डाला जाएगा जिससे, क्योंकि वो कलर्ड केमिकल है, जिससे कि उसके पार्टिकल, जब कलर्ड पार्टिकल मूव करना स्टार्ट होंगे तो वाटर के अंदर अच्छे से दिख सके. मूवमेंट कैसे होता है इसमें? नीचे के जब पार्टिकल यहाँ पर गर्म होना स्टार्ट होंगे वो ऊपर जाएंगे इस तरह से, और ऊपर के जो कोल्डर पार्टिकल हैं वो नीचे आना स्टार्ट होंगे. धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे सॉल्यूशन और ज़्यादा गर्म होता जाएगा तो पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे को वाइब्रेट करते हुए, बम्प करते हुए, कोलाइड करते हुए धीरे धीरे और ऊपर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऊपर जाना शुरू होंगे, और कोल्डर पार्टिकल उतने ही नीचे आना स्टार्ट होंगे. इसी तरह पूरा सॉल्यूशन हीटअप होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. The water becomes hot and rises up, and cold water from the top moves down, and the process continues till all the water gets heated. This shows that the heat is transferred by convection. This process is known as transfer of heat in the liquid, and it is called convection. What is the characteristics of convection? The transfer of heat in a liquid or gas. When part of gas or liquid is heated, the particle is made up of move faster and spread out more. The moving particles bump into other particles, causing them to move faster and spread out more. This is all about today's class. We will discuss the another topic in the next class. Thank you.